Hi everyone, if you hear people in the background, those are my noisy neighbors, so sorry about that. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette, and here on our channel we talk about makeup, beauty, fashion, and everything in between. So if you believe that this is the right channel for you, which I'm sure it is, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification right next to it. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate the support. I love the engagement, I love the comments, I love the video suggestion ideas. I love it all. So make sure you leave me a comment below, say hi, and let me know what other videos you want to see. So this is a new video on our channel. The video is going to be, just as the title said, how much I get paid here on YouTube. Now keep in mind, I have only received one payment here on YouTube and I was very excited, so I'm going to tell you guys all about it, as well as how to monetize your channel if you are a YouTuber or if you're thinking about starting YouTube. So I have some notes, so if you see me look down a little bit, or you'll see like clips of things that I want you guys to see and maybe walk you through it a little bit. So you'll also see that here on the video. I don't want to forget anything, and of course don't forget to drop me a question down below. If you have any kind of questions or if you want clarification on anything, just let me know with a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer it. So how much I got paid here on YouTube. So last month, yeah, it was about sometime in January, I want to say maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I got an email from YouTube. I was very surprised. I'll put the email up here, and it was basically asking me to verify some information because there was a payment, and I was surprised. I was like, payment? What payment? I've been on YouTube for about 2 years now, and I didn't even realize that I was accruing anything from the ads. I'm going to explain more about AdSense later, but I didn't realize that I was accruing anything, so I didn't realize that there would be a payment. But I was surprised nonetheless, and I clicked on my AdSense account and I finished up all the information that they needed. They basically needed things like my social security number and banking account information to send a payment to me, or if you want it sent to you, I guess via check, then they do that as well. But so I filled out the information, very surprised still, and then I had received my payment a few days later. So I will show you here how much I got paid. It was $106.14, and I was very surprised but very happy. So I'm going to tell you guys now how to monetize your channel, and how, if you are a YouTuber, how you can make sure you're getting paid as well. So if you go on to your channel and if you look at all of your videos, if you see that you can monetize them with ads, it's going to be, you know, when you upload the video, you go to the part where you click through after you put in all your information for the video, your title, your description, your tags, all that stuff. You go over to where it says monetization and you click that right there. That is how you monetize your YouTube channel, so that companies can start playing ads on your video, which is how you get paid. If you go down on the left hand side where it says channel, and if you click on that, you should see where it says monetization. If I'm wrong, I'll put the right place where it is right down here. And then once you do that, you're now allowed to monetize your channel. Now keep in mind, with YouTube, you need, now the new requirements, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours watch time. If you have achieved that and then your channel has been reviewed, then you are what's called a YouTube partner, which is then when you're able to monetize basically your videos and have companies run ads on them, and then that is when you are able to get paid from YouTube. Sorry if that's a little confusing, but leave me a comment down below if you have any kind of questions. So once you're able to monetize, you set up a Google AdSense account, basically using the same email address that you have for your YouTube channel. And then they're going to ask you a few questions, basically to verify you are who you say you are, like your social security number, your address, date of birth, that sort of thing. And then once you fill all that information out, you're all set. And once you've reached the YouTube's requirement basically of having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, then you are also able to monetize with ads which companies place on them, and you can get paid. Now keep in mind, you're only going to get paid a few cents. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but those few cents do add up, as I kept in mind and just kept putting out good content, or trying to put out good content for you guys, different content. And thank you so much to everyone who watches my videos, watches our videos on this channel. It really does add up over time, and I really do appreciate it. And that is how I was able to get paid from YouTube. Now I will keep you guys updated, but I just want to say thank you so much. I will keep you guys updated in the future as if I receive any other payments. And keep in mind that you will be able to cash out once you reach $100. Once you reach $100, that is when you're able to cash out. You cannot cash out if it's less than $100. That's YouTube's threshold, honey. So let me know if you guys have any other questions down below. I would love to answer them for you. And if you want to know about how to do research for videos, keywords, thumbnails, titles, descriptions, all of that, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely follow up a video more in depth. If you guys want a more in-depth video about how I do my YouTube videos, or what kind of program I use. By the way, I use iMovie, the most simplest, free, and it's free, the easiest one. If you guys want any other videos like that, definitely leave me a comment down below, and I will definitely do a follow-up video. So until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit the bell notification. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all soon. Bye.